you say my skirt? The killer sick like flow. We bang line chop food.
Welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to 4K Shella Energy, and in this update we have Skeng and Squash to talk about. So watch out, man, leave a like on the video, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy, and also click the bell to be notified so you do not miss a brand new upload every day. Big up on yourself and make we jump right into the review.
Not a skirt.
I remember see how one presidential clicking it. You see what I say? Yeah, I want 7 to the world.
So viewers and subs, Squash this up Skeng in the worst way ever. Yeah man, down to Skeng baby mother get it. Squash drop at this song that, well, not really at this song, but him aim it at Skeng, and I think in him her. Yeah man, Squash drop it like a month ago, and all this time we there and a wait for Skeng for respond back. But the entertainer preview is this song for Squash. Viewers and subscribers will have our next war. I go get into you, see me? Yeah man. So anytime Skeng drop the song there, you know say a problem, and we go get into it the right way.
The one done presidential. I fuck such man, girl. Why you say my skirt?
So viewers and subs, me know say most of uno hear Skeng with the style skirt. So Squash this him up, you know. Squash this him up, and I say, yo, not a skirt, I just her. Squash also I say, yo, him and knock Skeng baby mother. Viewers and subs, all this time me there and I wait for Skeng for respond to this, cause me know say Skeng is a youth. Him nah take no this. Skeng nah take no this. Remember, you know, Skeng did want to fly Massacre batting, but me nah hear nothing from Massacre. So me know say Skeng nah gonna make this slide, and viewers and subscribers, remember, you know, Squash them said the 6 and Skeng said the 7. And you don't know say the 7 and the 6 them in a war. So you know what will go on there, so you know. Everybody over on the 6 side, I got this up the 7s, and the 7s I got this up about the 6. So I be a madness, viewers and subscribers. So me know say Skeng did I go respond, but it's just a matter of time. You have to just wait, cause I think the entertainer they on tour. Me don't know if it come off right now, but all I know is that another clash is in the air. No joke. Skeng and Squash. Yeah man, so I'm gonna leave the rest of it for when Skeng drop the song, cause I don't know, so yo, me cannot really play the whole of the song on YouTube. You see me? You know the rules go already, but anyways, when you hear when the entertainer says something about big belly, you see me? And you know say, yo, the only big belly man in the 6th camp right now is, you see me? Yeah man, but me not call on him, I go wait till Skeng drop the whole song, but just know say, yo, the entertainer at this up back, a member from in the 6th camp, no joke. Skeng nah take no diss from nobody. Me not think that you are the type of artist where I go play levels card, I go diss your back. From your diss him, and you call him out, I go diss you. You may not be the dopey way you want, but I go diss you. Viewers and subscribers, we have a next clash to look forward to, no joke. The two entertainers them a go at it like I said. And please do in the comment section, make me know who I bring in this clash when it start, because I really want to know when you think or when you feel about this. You see me? 6 and the 7s in a war, and it a go on for a very good time now. Some of the members them a lose them life, and you know, it not look good. But like Skeng and Squash now, them a keep it in the music, and me really hope say they do. You see me? Because you know them a good artists, and it would have to know say, yo, the man them bring it to the streets, and you know, so more if you just continue with it in the studio and lower for the streets. You see me? The streets don't love nobody. We also have JBLM at this up Skeng, and for those who do not know who is JBLM, well, he's an artist, and him also says 6. Yeah man, so you know say, yo, everybody over on the 6 side at this up anybody over on the 7. So as you can see on the screen, it's a post from JBLM and him at this up Skeng, and it says what them call on themselves with couple emojis, as you can see, And the entertainer went on to say, what a foolish child not learning. Viewers and subs, yeah man, JBLM and this up Skeng. The entertainer also made this post, and as you can see, it's a missing poster with Skeng picture on it. You have Skeng name, Skeng age, and I don't even know if I the right age like for Skeng, but yeah man, it's like some details or some information about Skeng. So viewers and subs, on the sister them are taunt Skeng, them a try jam out, but like I said, the entertainer have a song for drop, and him a got this up the 6th camp, no joke. The 7s versus the 6th. But like I said, me just want the youth them to keep it in the studio, bro. Me tired to say that, and me know say most of uno are, hopefully all of uno want the same thing. Cause me know enough of uno love the violence, you know. Me know say enough of uno love the violence in a real life, you see me. But in the studio want this a clasher, no joke. So viewers, leave it down in the comment section and let me know who uno are bring in this clash if it should happen. Yeah man, leave it down in the comment section and also leave a like on this video. Subscribe to 4K Shell Energy. And viewers, like I said, are two bad artists them, Squash and Skeng. I mean, no say Skeng never did go take no this. And just easy like that. Cause Skeng say it nice song already, you know. How them fi take this and they saw a load clip. Viewers and subs, Skeng them not take no this. So me really look forward for this song. I really want to hear it where Skeng I go bring. And also, I hope say Squash drop another song and this up back Skeng so we can actually get the official clash. Viewers and subs, leave it down in the comment section. Let me know who you know I bring. You see me? The 7s or the 6. Big up on yourself like always. Subscribe to 4K Shell Energy and leave a like. Yeah man, leave a like and don't make me start fling big stone like we put it and say. You see me? Yeah man, big up on yourself.